In Clermont, where families enjoy warm weather, lakeside views, and year-round sunshine, windows play a key role in making homes comfortable and inviting. But even the best windows won't perform as intended if they aren't installed correctly. Professional window installation ensures that your home is protected against the elements, energy efficient, and comfortable in every season. Here's how expert installation can transform your living experience in Clermont. A perfect fit for maximum efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of professional window installation is precision. Every home in Clermont is unique, and window openings can vary slightly in size and shape. Custom measurements. Installers take precise measurements to ensure a snug fit. Eliminating gaps. Proper installation prevents air leaks that let in hot, humid air or allow cool air to escape. Improved insulation. Tight seals around the frame enhance the performance of your new windows. This attention to detail keeps your home more comfortable while reducing energy loss. Consistent indoor temperatures. Clermont's climate includes hot summers and mild winters, which means your HVAC system is always working to keep temperatures balanced. Poorly installed windows can create drafts, hot spots, or cold areas in your home. Professional installation ensures your windows keep cool air inside during summer heat. Block outdoor humidity from entering your home. Maintain steady indoor temperatures from room to room. With consistent comfort throughout your house, you won't need to adjust the thermostat constantly, making daily life easier and more enjoyable. Better protection against humidity and rain. Florida's weather is unpredictable, with sudden rain showers and high humidity being common. Poorly sealed windows can allow moisture to seep in, leading to warped frames or damaged walls. Mold and mildew growth that affects indoor air quality. Higher maintenance costs over time. Professional installers use flashing, weather stripping, and caulking techniques tailored to Florida's climate, keeping your home dry and comfortable, even during Clermont's stormy afternoons. Noise reduction for a peaceful home. Many Clermont families live in bustling neighborhoods or near busy roads. Without proper installation, windows may not deliver their full noise-reducing benefits. Precise sealing minimizes gaps where sound can enter. Insulated glass performs better when installed correctly. Framing adjustments ensure soundproofing features work as designed. Professional installation turns your windows into effective noise barriers, allowing you to enjoy a quieter and more relaxing home. Enhanced energy savings. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about affordability. Drafty or poorly fitted windows make your HVAC system work harder, driving up utility bills. With expert installation, you'll enjoy lower monthly energy costs, a reduced carbon footprint through improved efficiency, long-term savings that offset the investment in new windows. For Clermont homeowners, where air conditioning is used most of the year, these savings are a major advantage. Safety and longevity. Improperly installed windows can pose safety risks if they don't close or lock correctly. Professionals ensure your windows are secure, protecting your family from intruders and weather hazards. Additionally, windows installed with care are less likely to shift, leak, or wear out prematurely. That means fewer repairs and longer-lasting comfort for your household. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners: new windows are only as good as the installation behind them. Professional window installation ensures your home stays comfortable by improving efficiency, reducing drafts, blocking moisture, and minimizing outside noise. The result is a safer, more energy-efficient home where your family can relax year-round. If you're considering a window upgrade, choosing expert installation guarantees that your investment pays off in both comfort and peace of mind. With the right team, your Clermont home will stay cool, dry, and inviting, no matter what Florida's climate brings.